Yeah.
Hi, I'm Sheby. We are from Vellore. One of my friend actually suggested about this Montessori program, online program. I didn't have any clue about how it's going to work, and I had a lot of apprehension before started. I must say that the office people here, Sri Lakshmi, and was very approachable in the sense whenever we were calling from Vellore, it was very useful. Like, you know, we need exactly what the doubts, and it was clarified well. And also the program, I was telling to my husband that it was very systematic, like, you know, and after one module, and this is the first time something like that I did. Was very nice. And go on meeting, that was on dot time, and it was very nice. Unfortunately, in where we are, the internet and it was not very good, and so we couldn't. And for that, you have sent that video, meaning the video clip was very nice. I mean, it was very useful in that way. And about another thing that about to come for this this 5 days workshop. Again, like ladies coming from a faraway place to here and staying alone. We were so much touched by that day, the previous that week. We had that meeting about how to come, and you know the directions you gave and the concerns you had. It was very nice, and that is so it actually for our family people, we could say that they are also concerned and they were happy to send us. And even to our institution where we came, they were also very happy that this is like structured program and have some kind of standard and all that, and it is it's good to have something like that. And about the workshop, it was very nice, very this is like the people who are well efficient and very knowledgeable, and it's learning from them. It's a privilege. Like I mean, nothing to compare. And Munira ma'am and Kaushy ji and all was very nice. I mean, we cannot ask better than this. And the personal interest Munira ma'am is taking, as before you go, you have to touch this one and experience, and it's like we feel that we are students again, and we can approach to that bonding, and it was a good relationship we established here. I hope that we go back and continue what we learn or apply, and also know that you guys will be helping us to set up, and even whatever the doubts we can, you know, free to ask, and all the best. I would suggest and I would highly recommend this course to anyone and any of my friends.